Welcome to
The diaries.
So Darla, where are we?
At the shop.
At where?
At the shop.
We've just been to the shop, yes, but where are we?
At the caravan.
Yeah, we're at a caravan. Again?
Yeah.
This is 3 times now you've been here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like it at the caravan? Come this way. So, what are we doing today? Hey? What are we doing today?
Okay.
We've got to go on this way over here. What do you want to do today? Would you like to go to the fair?
No.
No. Where would you like to go? Hey?
That's all.
No.
There's it.
Right, come on, come off the grass.
Is it this way?
It's down this way. Oh, you dropped your toy. Let's show everyone your toy, what you got from the machine. Wow. It's a really good toy. So, we're going to the fair. And where else are we going?
To the arcade.
We're going to go to the arcade. Wow.
Ball pit.
And go to the ball pit, okay.
Yeah.
Where else? Do you want to go to swimming?
No.
No, you don't want to do swimming. Come on then. Where else would you like to go for some dinner later?
We're going.
Go for some dinner later.
That's all. That one. Right there.
Down there, yeah. That's the one we're staying in, down there.
That one.
Yeah, it's down there.
Is it? Oh.
We are at Wincups in Wales.
They're coming back. They're coming back. We are in the car.
You like that sound, don't you? We are in the car. We are
Oh.
in the limousine.
I'll go for. Well.
This is the caravan we're staying in. And we'll do one later on. A video. So Darla, are you going to say bye to everybody?
Bye.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.